In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Westchester County. We'll be using the City of Yonkers website to get to the online payment system, and I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so the process feels simple and straightforward. First, go to the official Yonkers City website. Once you're on the site, look for the section related to tickets. This is where the city provides information about parking and traffic-related payments, along with the online payment link you'll need. Before you continue, it's important to know that not every ticket can be paid online. If your license plate has outstanding tickets that make it boot and tow eligible, if the registration is suspended, or if there has been a credit card chargeback connected to that plate, online payment will not be available. In those cases, you'll need to contact the PVB directly or visit the PVB in person to take care of the payment. That's a useful detail to check first because it can save you time if the online system won't accept your case. You'll also want to make sure you have the required information ready. If you're paying by ticket number, you'll need the ticket number. If you're paying by plate number, you should have the plate number, the two-letter state abbreviation, and the plate type available. Having this information ready beforehand will make the process much smoother. Once you're on the tickets page, click on Pay Online. That will bring you closer to the payment portal. On the next page, select the option that says Make a payment online via electronic check or credit card. This will open the payment search form. Now you can begin entering your details. Start with the ticket number if you have it, although this field may be optional. Then enter the plate number, which is required. After that, type in the two-letter abbreviation for the state where the plate was issued. Be careful here to enter the information exactly as it appears, since even a small typo can keep the system from finding your ticket. After you've filled in the required fields, click Continue. The system will then search for the ticket information linked to the details you entered. From there, simply follow the prompts on the screen to proceed to payment. Review the ticket information carefully before submitting anything, and make sure your payment method is ready so you can complete the transaction without interruption. Once your payment goes through, it's a good idea to save or print the confirmation for your records. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Westchester County.